Hello everybody, I hope you are fine. We gave some break. I couldn't produce any video for 1 week, so I am going to continue. I will continue with question 16 from AMC 2023, AMC 8. So let's go through the question. Okay, the letters PQR are entered into a 20 by 20 table according to the pattern shown below. How many P's, Q's, and R's will appear in the completed table? So we are going to start from bottom left corner. So it's going to start with PQR, PQR. It will continue. This pattern will continue. From here, it will go PQR, PQR as well. So we can think this one PQR a set, a chunk. So how many characters are there? 3. So let's look at how many PQ are there. In here, there is one set PQR, and then PQR, there is another. So this means in this one, in 3 squares, there is one set of PQR, one P, one Q, and one R. If you think about 6, another P, another Q, and another R. This means when we divide 6 by 3, we are going to find number of PQRs. This pattern will continue for some time. So let's visualize it. So PQR, okay, PQR, 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 another PQR, another PQR. So this 18 square is filled with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6P, 6Q, and 6R. Okay, so let's continue. So the pattern will continue, repeat here. This time it's not going to start with P, but it's going to start with Q, QRP. No problem. Whatever it starts, no problem. We can continue with the pattern again. So let's use another color. QRP, 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 another QRP, another one, and another one. So another 6Q, 6R, and 6P. Let's continue for the next time. Okay, this time RPQ, 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 and RPQ. Okay, so this means this pattern will continue from top to down, from down to top. Okay, so for each line, so let's draw a line until here. From here to, let's choose another color. From here to here, the same pattern will continue. So for each row, there will be 6P, 6Q, and 6R. For each row, we are going to have 6P. Okay, so P, Q, R. 6P, 6Q, 6R. How many rows we have? Here we have 20. Since it's 20 by 20 table, so this means for each row 6P, 6Q, and 6R times 20, we are going to have 120p, 120q, and then 120r. Uh, so we are done with this all space. Yeah. Okay, so the remaining one. How about how many PV we have here, how many Q we have here, and then how many R. We are going to think very carefully. It started with P, PQR, PQR, it will continue. This one is P, this one is Q, and then this one is R. P, Q, there is no R. Okay, so and then it started with Q, QRP, QRP, and then this means PQ, QR. Even we can find from here PQR, because the next one is going to start with so next line is going to start with PQR, QRP. Okay, it will continue PQR, PQR, so it's going to be the same one. So PQR, another PQR, another PQR, another one, another PQR, another PQR, and then PQR, PQR. So this means this one is going to be P, this one is going to be Q. Okay, let's continue from here. QRP, so it's going to continue like this. QRP, QRP, and then it will continue like this. QRP, 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 and QR. So let's count one by one. How many set of PQR or QRP we have? In each one, we have one P, one Q, one R. So this means the order is not important. How many sets of these letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12P, 12Q, and 12R. 12P, 12Q, and 12R we have. And then the only remaining part is this one. We have 1P plus 1, 2Q, and then 1R. When we add them together, so we have 133P, 134Q, 133R. When we look at the options, okay, when we look at the options, 133P, 134Q, and then 133R. So the choice is going to be C. Yes, I'm sorry, maybe during the solution of the question, you are hearing the sound of rain and then airplanes, maybe you heard about it. And then my child started crying. I'm sorry for this, but I hope you understand the concept well. Thank you so much.